excited by your behavior, so thank you. All right, last question, you're sharp.
About the most amazing thing I've ever seen. When using it against a sentence, it should be like the most amazing thing I've ever seen, comma, that you guys are playing real hard.
I love where you're going, and you're tying what we did yesterday with commas. And once we learn what's wrong with it, once we learn to identify it, we can fix it, just like we will in our own writing when we find incomplete sentences. So, first of all, I want to teach you all the parts to a complete sentence. So complete sentences are what we're striving for. These are a complete thought. So a complete sentence has 4 parts. I want you to follow along with me as I look up at this sign. The first part, a complete sentence has a subject. Who can tell me what they think a subject would be?